than 1,000 years. I am security. Oh, I said that. Oh, I said that. I'm getting now you're with you right. When you look at it in that right here, you see that the old men, they were the security. They got the gate, they got everything. Some of them were old. They can even give back to the owner of the house 1,000 times. But because it has been written that the owner of the house will become a head someday and they will guard him, now they are the servant to the owner of the house. It's not by aid, it's by grace. Prepare yourself for the grace. Forget your age.
Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to Him. Jesus,
Hallelujah, be on the phone. Akwaba eba yedwumade kese so aya to the Salvation Hour with Prophet Prince Kofi Ochre, live on Facebook and YouTube, Fame TV. You can kindly subscribe to your YouTube channel and also your Fame TV. Na like it, na share my running count on your case. Yemre, I sent to our pen and made a brow, and one send my uchi as say, Yesu Bawu, Yesu or Bapapa. But my problem ne, my second credit, I have some time beside me say, a banner or banner, one boy say. And then away on what tour, I say Yesu Ba, or Baba to Sampara and Para, Usimesi, ma, me papa, me bra, me nua penny, me nua kitua, me ba, me nana, I'll share me sabre, cause I did Tibera, Miss Manica Granty Bonana, I'll share me sabre, Miss Sammy Bissan, said, Yesu Ben there. I ain't fun out dinner, or better way. Let no one deceive you. And moving that out. Or bow. Or see, banner say, O grandma nibium. No, Baba said, I will not did now. I got tenana him. So the question is, or better way. Bible said, a bear to say no abrasion, and none me kind of do or pet, no me mushroom. Na me bisa me won say bibi we wiase o say obemba te say den no abreso no onu bi ese no abreso na odidi onom odo opam odi akoso abu asika bia no na yiro na ye ka ye papa no koso abu asika bia no na ye gusu kai emfa nkwa ye na ye wano gbagagbaga tobe ye ka obeka wano tum ahwehwe nkwa ye afa na wo react say wo ton wo di kura nya boni hey madam oba o aje misi nipa yasa yetimi onipa di boni e ka nyame adom only in this country na ma who we be that say onipa odi boni o si nyame adom nti boni am di kura no me dia ye japade nyame adom e ma wodi boni ye japade nyame adom ne say Bible say on pe odiboye fu ewuo agise osakra enti kaf na madom no so na sakra na baka che wiase nyina se afede bia ma yadu dia ye mi osimesi masakra mabrabo no abreso no odidi opam odo obosika no Bible say ebi ware ye ne bi so ma ware prekupa na ntoro kisimu bi se nyankopon akire no a akwanya ne dada e ma na no ate ase se no a bonoma ne si ho ma adaka na ye de be ye adwuma no ne nipa be gumu no me de be sevu nipa no bo adaka ne si ho na me nipa ye den nipa be gu adaka no de ak na ye ka no bogu ho nipa metena mo apamadaka kese na ye mi rade de no enti na apamadaka na no aboy eno na ye me menu mu asem ande a me ka kire o se nkwaje sanam so na sakra nam so na sawo chibra nyankopon chen. You can't live in sin and enjoy the salvation. It's not possible. Is it that you work for the salvation or you remain in the sin? But I will preach you that you shouldn't die in your sin. Sawechio na mbre no ye mbre ye tia. We are in the narrow system. We don't know. Even said ye nipa wu sabre kwa kire say wo kura wo kase na wo betime wu kina. Na wu anfa na wo ko. Me kamesa kabiom, what if tomorrow never comes? Bible say prekope insuo no tijaye e start to. Na so dey for na ntimi no e bi tu mreka. E dia pamna da kanechi e wo nsuo no so. Na so na ye too late. I will say it again. Don't say we didn't warn you. We are warning you now. Oh, and I'm anti asem no say dia we are the technology. I'm we are see quite enough to understand say mene wo ka say go to Facebook. Pastors are there preaching. One shenkom. One kasa. Obi e man e one e kan dia e ma menua ba wo hwe me. E wo tie say this is the time for you to change your lifestyle. Embre ni ho. Intimasma be jawi just for the salvation. Change your lifestyle. Don't wait for no man. So today my message is, what if tomorrow never comes? Or don't wait for tomorrow. Accept Christ right now. For yes to say Ukraine wa kin kwasa bre. Me say enkom shebesa nyame asam nsada. Akwankyere besa nyame asam nsada. Osofo kasa besa. Wa utie bi obi abesa. Ba asam ensa ne say meteye. Me namasam no so manye etiefo awrefifo ba me yetiefo yefo a me asam ne yedwuma e ma ne si ne ye. Me see embre nya embre ye twantro. Embre wasa ka kira wasa be bia tuidie ma me nka no kra na me wu. Rather than I will lie. Wonum sa tetembre so no ye di dibie and the hwa Paul kano kre but and the wiase no dane ti no won na gina dibie be kano kra mpo na twantro asa nipa wi kosi. Sakra wa brabo. San wachi o. The time wait for nobody. Because said ya wo ye wo yi. Embre bi beba ni odi body ni man now say sa body no eye na temple eye na solid dan no obebisa o say what did you use the body for? And where will you be? And what will be your answer? Me do yem be mape. Me do yem bape. Me be dieu. Me be sai no ma. Me be gu aware. Atembo no e twen nipa biara. Salvation is now. Look for it. Command it. Speak your salvation. Work towards it. And kwanya nya asaba ye kafri yenu. E ye dwuma ye ma ye kra ne ye nipa dua. 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse number 9. Osofo kantwi no na yenko. Korinto fo homa edikan. Osere. Echinse ni mu enkro. Yenko. Ose anase. Munim se. Wana ontre no rinya oyako. Nipa biara ontre no ahidie ne de onto na adwemo. Na ye ka training sema eye buruja edoso bebe na mentimi kan wie. Nipa otwantro ontre. Ni odi kokonsa ontre. Enya dwamabonku. Ni osisi nipa ontre. Bible say na munim say unrighteous can never inherit the kingdom of God. Don't you know that? So where are you? Why can't you come now? No, what is wasting your time now? You see, or bra where your bra or bonsama boduegu ni pasu. E ni pasu ma ye ni de dema on person tijai. Ni woni tribi na me say me die me nyaka se be num e wiase nkwan de me num ewu me phobia ho. Eh kayo. Ni odi na de ba be bisa o. Obeba ti se ahonade. Oba ti se ogwama na bio. Na obedua. Where will you be? Mama Esther Smith, Gamishra, Juma, Oto and then you hold the copyright for your own music, not mine. But said then, I will not day. No, what now him go no more. Now he go Bible say in Munyamano, ever come a training for. Now one now, a woman Yakupon, Robert sorry with Omusan Juma. And the son of Juma Ben, I would watch out Yakupon. Okokon say, Umbema pay. When Tamai. Won Troy. One no ya udi si nipa so a wo say nipa as if say Yakupon bo nipa no. Now you're second Jesus. We need ya we craft so you Christo ni. O se mu nim say. One na one train no. Enya jo be nya Yakupon ahidie. Kan ko so bo. Mo ma ye ndada mo. E mo bin ndada me come what in under. If any pastor is deceiving you by telling you when you pay tithe, when you pay offering in church, who support the church, you inherit the kingdom of God. They are lying to you. And you throw. O nipa biara be ya ne kwa je wa dwuma sa de nipa no tie ansa na wanyo soro ahemmu nako. Osina mu nim say won entry no won ko soro ahemmu da. Won nya nyame anye no ntira mu da. No see them you. Mama one dada. A mo bin dada e. Ejama mofo. Ejama bofo. Sa ne pano e na Paul come accept Korinto fo no ha. O se wan mo o se ejama bofo. E mo bin dada o se u bo ejama se dia u boy. Wa bo ejama sa. O nice pu bra madam aden. Bra anka aden. Oba bia oba wen. Ah, me see. Oba wu oba bia o ye koto. Miss Obewi or Baby or your war pattern, Koswawe, and we would Tokro be a new out to me with him. Unye Chio Tokro Kra, what the bishop? Ye cow my yanka. Oh, fine boy, looking sexy. You will look sexy in hell. Ye you near the shell wa. Mintada, you look sexy there. Now what dear now do you to Kurumu? A gentleman swan. No one will say, Noko, ye can't net ye. Embrace yourself as a crisis our bravo. Or say, Mobin Dadamo, a cham my buff for a big ratty church. A cham my buff for Mobin Dada. Min God, come watching and that. Ghana, 70% of Ghanaian lady, Obia or Papano, one abrabum ordinam, Papano, Obia Obi. Obia wa Brantiano ordinam, Obia or sister no, and na mameno ordinam, Wabrabuimo. Bible said, Mobin Dada Moyin na hell. You will go. You will enter. Yanka Sabro Sawante, Yereho, Madiana Nunya, Desa, says Sitri. Natanu Bua, Ube say, Yase. One background, nanke ye. When say the second downfall of a man is always worse than even the beginning. The second downfall. And you say, if you know, or so for front, a walk for front, or yell can may be more, nay, down so a may be more. And tea, and your beer may be sound say, a mood dear now, person with Janama on that day. Yes, a piano way you because time so ye. I call a piano way you. A piano sabo from the Baba president with a Bushiamo and the work was our president. A piano Bushan, the whole Bushano, Dr. Bakupen the womb, Soja Bakupen the womb, what was our Soja because who near ready and tea, Waka and San Fata. And none of your cows, my young catcher. Assembly said, a young gun of us who a young pentier. Mr. Betzana, Missy, oh, can I prophesy? Many viewers. Oh, let me give you direction. Many viewers, baby. But in point, yes, and then here in the park. Okoka, we have a catcher say, a gift for preach, no more before me evangelist. I pity you. I pity you, Reverend Minister. Say, gift for preaching, I'm a seven, almost a gift for now, almost evangelist. I pity you. Into ye did black heaven. A decent as I saw you. Michelle comes over talk and I can't over travel heaven. Michelle comes over worry, I want a higher, oh, to me, worry or no while. Michelle comes over war, Ghana, over we are say higher or the young hole. Mr. Wawadi and Po, Wawadi and Pono, and one temple po and throw heavy hole. I was in a debate by yes, which may be sound a question. For you to know, sir, sometimes you see, let nobody deceive you by prophecy that when we give you prophecy, prophecy are so important. Prophecy are very, very important. I will never speak again. I'm a prophet. Prophecy are very, very important in the human life. To direct you, to show you the path, to give you guidelines. This extra coin, maybe over far. The ever more DA, over Yato, a deal for the Passacha, Quadia, so we never make a wende. And you know, a man in your wife, you say, oh, and I this 7 year, and I was saying, Nipaka was so. I was saying, my own young Quadiasem, Namboa, because Bible said, Michelle composer warrior, Wawa, and a bit too, Banana Massam to order. So listen to this very well. Now, who say, or see, Nipa by yesterday, and say, Papa, you were area. Now I worry Antibi. No, who you know, ye the antenna salmon in your bema. Or no, so we, your son another in your bema. Into heaven, no, why pan the lecture so what is our sister? Look at what Jesus is saying. Jesus said, you say, I want to tell the Nikrana, wow, who bet in your dear what body, you know, what hell. Who said do hell, yeah, yem bisaso, you know, which we say, oh, you're in the crown, a hackake, and commission, a asso, the warrior. Because I know the Yamia shot what I say, Moon water, Moon wo. Now, man, and the Moon Donny was assassin, so to say, and a must. But Pequam or Dima, and your force. And you'll be another worry. Madam, and you'll be another. Let nobody deceive you. Yamin plan or the check. Minimobia, what you said, or your sofa, Casa, or bought Pastano, church or bought Payama for winter for, near and wood and no Banu Goy. One would that, one teach that. But the pastor is a great man of God, and also overcome them. And you only hear, won't quite yet. So be young quack. Into your cannot say my young guy ever catch you. Your lifestyle doesn't even show that. Even you see, I thought it'd be around. We need your granny, dear Dawson on fat. What's it, dear Mawa? Joseph, David, Emmanuel, Michael, Samuel. She would be a mouth. utie di bia ye di mawa ye hweba mu di bi to so Rebecca, Vida, Veronica, Dora. Look at all this name. Cecilia, Felicia, Abigail. Look at all this name. Lucy. All this, they were Christian name. Ah, yeah, they told we are the Maokra. Nanso and that. A Jamanti, a dinner Danny. A new different family. Ya wo bo so menkro. O ma me ato Rebecca, o se ya fra me Becky. O ye container. Ya wo bo so menkro. O ma me ato Veronica, o se ya fra o Nika. O to fos. O ye Nika. We didn't when near positive a dibia ukukura to abrabosono is part of the reason why your life is shaking. You are no more on the track of the righteous. You are on the wrong track. Come back to Christ. God love you. Nyame do nipa o. Enye sawa nka ye mum ye. Nka waku ye mesi sa Yakobon ye politician nipa. Nka wiase ajo omo ye toilet na ya sana ya ne. Na dey not the infrastructure. Sa Yakobon mesi senkotisa osikenia. Nka nsuo be towo yarefa ento Madina da. Ba on tisantino ifu ye di boye fompono or tonsio mayeda or me we are bopa yeso ntina Bible said what tamfo po ye oboni abompa man na ye Yakobon ye ya ne boni that should still oguso shiraye. So which means God doesn't want you to die in your sin. Na me pe wo oboni no sai brand nchen obeba biemu e ma wura fida Yesu beba wo. And he will come back for his own. And when he come, where will you be? Me said, and da ye didn't pay two no. Yen dano, ben me nipa. So we are papa, so we are bonu. Assassin e de utu no, ben me nipa, ben meow. Ne me nipa na, se nipa ni nipa papa, can near be so assassin ase. Me abofo na be bisa ne se oti wiase no bobrabe ba so enipa bonia asase ne be mia ne saa ko sita obegina tembu nti ye kasa se we nyina wo ho yira wo me se me kai owu na me yema hye me dwe oni bi nti ejuma bi obi ahye me sana me pese me wi ansa na wa fere me embo no me bo me brase o chena po me ni ho biom a ma ye ma afa mu de eno na bisa wo where will you be on that day o say mo bi ndadam a German bofo, so can go and abosomsomfo, a German bofo, abosomsomfo, or the church is always drawing so attack power ba. Or the church. Me say Ghana had a young man said, Ubi said, Pastor Dabe J. draw on the hoa. None the Panabe cast on social media fan no funny with you. Where are the police? Arrest the person because sometimes I'm casting we do and a soft no buy and okuni and no buy and okuniba and no buy and okuni mammy or any baby die or whatever. What bomb so they need to be arrested and then investigate them immediately. But yes, sir. Pitron over Shamukano, none the panel, the party net this with Yanaway. Of a funny wedding. But yet the party that is near dear we near their shelly bottom, bra, over Jiwatembu. Me party tea, me mind tea, me whatever tea, minty, me offer no simesin tea, obeji atembu. Ni nipa ye biara atembu da ho. And namoso no be assign ho, obeji atembu because me na ya bososo no bi, onipa bi osom nyame odwe nipa ho. Onipa bi oddo nyame, o make sure say nam na som obi adwuma nsai da. Eya emfa nyame so betata woni. Why you home patakuo whatever I want to bring that tree but me say me say akọ patakuo hye ngwan o hye ngwan ho me dia kata ne ho na so hwe ne mu a sali o ya ponti pataku en na mo sunti e bia nya stroke en anti no nim say bo dwuma ne ye 419 e dent na o synchrophone bre mu bi no meye e ya na mente no ma bi ase. Enti o ti ho a o twesa tembo da me so ana o kana jiweni. Nipa bi asa dia o tie biara udin di wachi o And your summon yameno, and you'll be a call, yabosom, some kind of yabosom you. A toddler beer, ya casampo, a young nakra, or my webcam, you move be summon yamiso yabosom for ye niano and chrakra we are righteous in Christ. It's your body bonny, send them also, umbe and won't be you say. Hey, I'm telling you the fact. So that me to us, I'm wanting one order. I'm saying this question because me the shame me crack of you. Me say, be you be true me. Me feel fine that on the same certain pan. And you know where is the truth? I said, "Man, this guy be go baby in Kokojaba." And the Ghana by no obi no betting up one a woo on Mesgodi. The same one. Okoka na timbi ya tere baby say usika da honti. And the misika down me can no cre. Me throw the power. The worst thing you can do is to hack somebody's account and do worse still there. But the truth should be told. Judgment is waiting for everybody. Either me or you. We all on that day. Only the area woman. Yes, the police. Oh, Yakubu him. Yes, some buyechi. And then you buye wakunta. In the Bible says, "More being down." Abosom somfo. Anyone for you? I want to say for and Namo sister and Namunti Obia Warriegu. Mama slay queen, brother slay queen, and then you was slay uncles, slay mama, slay dada, slay sisters. A new trend of a modern prostitution is called slay queen. That is called modern prostitution. It's called slay queen. I want to say for. What sell be a warrior? What will be a warrior? It's a yacht. With no more sem, wouldn't himself or suffer, won't come shabbat me will be a warrior. Or suffer, Messi, what quite shabbat me will be a warrior. Bra, wouldn't himself chatting be only will be a chatting, a better man you could jano. And I wouldn't him. I grow me on his sister BD, a better man China because and no Bama be the person within the year diagro. I wouldn't say pictures say I wouldn't money papa na yere shower the phone so na wa de betimi agu papa na default one na default it what be sounds our question we our saifo ogu aware no ko nti nipa no bo kakra yin so no ayesa fa ho kwacha na free no yin ni die wo na nam so santi na ne yere nja na ware na ne kunu nja na ware na ne banya mo boda ache our safe. Bible said more being dada. A German buffalo. And I went for you. I was some so for our safe for anyone. I hope he I go shift for. Coach I saw my ma. Yeah, Bokoshia, your pubita. Ghana way. Africa way. A random boy money ye. Because maybe I do not yet. Me, I told the me talk about myself, and that's so be in the home. I come back, many me bush for me ye. Uchu more time. Neosio or no so ban or bar, or the news of our nobody comes without bringing their family. Just I told the baby your West Indies. So they can't cry. Akoshina. That is it. Akoshi sem for I dare no do what you say my do my way 85% best clean city in West Africa. We are on 85%. Messi and then 3 days na me nam tudu ball sum hono yesu nkwa yesu ya chinani penim ya dia kohwi yeko. What will you gain if you can't say the truth? Into ewiase ayewo yempo ayekwa sorry yesom nyame alaji muafo no kwan and ye twatro into say Christian or Muslim who is the truth one? Nobody. Ni o preaching o chakoshi ni o preaching oh bobo into why or sura above for the be through abi kire say yen ka no kwana na Bible said that akoshi sam for you merima ene merima enta. You see, Nyakubo wa me dawase for one thing. I feel we are the say around say Juno or say Memu. Yes, gay for Baba the year conference for Ghana and Corona by. Is it not that? Is that not stupidity? Yeah, who did this? Mr. Question said, Penibim Pombeyi, no don't catch your sadiano, and you throw your nemoshi, Ubia Mekada. Now, for almost posting in them Krum Carnation and then ho, gay and gayism. No more the Pagana or man Yakupo mine. Make speaker of parliament. Reverend Professor Quay. Michael Quay actually said, "On Penoma had an issue on my way." And China say, "Obi Koso and Omobe man one say Ghana banning in Kasa, only Omonka wine Kasa." In Timbabe Brebe Bui, I be crack Talipa Panohoi. Into the old year ready say, "Oh, the Pebe be a far Pebe be a Jena." And Babui, oh, show about body, hey, ratty, the softness. Obani, slimu. Bentum. Oboshi. O dia osi wunye. Be ma ne wo de na pampo mo teteja. Se sliver se. E no na wo pe. Are you all right? Enti wa nye obia. Enti ya rock. That's right. Bible said be ma da. Hey, bra. Enti wofa. Otwa odwen. Odi akovota bia me free. Mba yi fa fe akokwa papa bi. Me mama adwa what this 60 something years. Ne ho fe no. Voteria wo mo papa bi. Enti wa nya bi. Ko Ashanti. Mba papa guo, Kofodia flowers, Mba papa guo. And all these tribes, and a connectness, I love them too. Mba papa guo, 1 year beer wom, and worry. So the only Bema, and the Bema, and the better. Hey! In Penford Bumbi. Nadamina, I don't know. Yamano Grafum, Dana Umia crack. I don't garrix. Bama who they do it. As for Pejada, shall Bama be an impan in the tico. Nenim sobo, Sasobo over Conco. See me, minute Bama wake on that. Yeah, I don't get it. Bama Titau, say microphone. Say, what is your problem? Sacrao. Sakra, I'm saying this. Girl, come and give me warning. May the Lord strike you down with a brother. How? We don't want this rubbish in our country. This is barbaric. This is demonic. This is insolent. It's uncalled for. Be realities in life. Bible says, in Bema and in Bemeda, a chiwani akesi. And then there's a we and yet you're near you. The other pen. We fought one day one club gun and yet the other pen. Website design. Yeah, the 120 something thousand Ghana cities. I design website or so a zero not the better. Hey, we fought the big crowd church. I'm telling you, Mikoya program church recently. And I'm doing luckily for the pastor, and he said there was a CCTV camera in the room. No, he said all chapenino. All the time there are never done a CCTV camera. Now so sick. I branch we are good bottom sa a project I was a committee ni na ye basa na man so member audit kakra momo and I'm call audit no work Ashanti Region Kumasi. I was shocked. You hear the echi boy. Wa fa ono kwa osha oba no wa shata the fin onim se okita 5 cars in church so for kra nika wa hwi asorsika makowura gender wura Bible say ewifuo ye wia madam o tifie na wia okuru sika kakrakra ko bi na ye 5 cities 126 usu ye ewi bia ye wi o min dada top money na say ye tu na mo kakra what to mukra trans 20 and then Brazilian I can be a new back hella o pesa wo shenti Ewurade mbo no nka wo no sakra wa brabo se be ma ne ko ani ate bo adu so ono ade kodi nidwa no de abegu o ma mbo no kro no nti a chim be ma ne ni ate se kura de o ware ne pa de yedie pa nice guy o do ate udu be eto na wo ma de obi a sha no bra kwa me die nti obedi nidwa onim na ba bia tokro me kura mti suma no onko nidwa mbre mi mama ye ni ate ewifo o ti o ma we mu sika kakra wo se o mentani ma bi su ya nyina so o nkwa wa die wi afa 54 million for watching 54 point something million for money and what Bible said they ewifo me kakona biara. I'm telling you a nipa 30 million no ye 54 million na feed here during COVID-19. What a country. I love country. I love Ghana, my motherland. God bless our homeland, Ghana. I love this country. Wow. I feel like they show that there's 12 point something million, and we are for cook one. They are minister in the if we fall, yeah, the utu go be an you go cool. Oh, yeah, my company and ye, we crown tea. A dear old tompono, oh, what travel, I will tell someone I travel, we need na ye we. Mfaso kakra obenya na nka odi anoko heavy. You see nyame ade obe check kakra no eye se obonsam de odi a check kwa free ewifo anyone for you any brefo we need breath here too much iPhone nti me nyana be ma tre ni be da kra no me toma me any bread ku nti ene won da to iPhone ma wo ye okay we need bro bia ware we need bro bia adwuma obi body mpo ekuta no we need bre madam nyame na boy ye nyina na mesimi dia wa ma me no focus e na wo dia wa ma ofia obi a maintain ni dia we need bre no wo ko yanse wo to na wo ta na be tra ba eni brenti any part that say need no share machine mo e pon ne wo say because obeso ye kokko me see that ben na kwesi broni e di bidi asra say obeso ye tutu in so make say udu China we have the black that were born black, they can never be white. You go India, we have the black in India that were black, they can never be anything again. They can be white, that is how they were born, and they love their color. Obroni hu bibinia na bibi ya no penekala no to de bia because I am black and beauty. Wo de also compare no. Ni brenti tattoo go ba bia. Ebi go kwanchi, ebi go tekremaso. Ebi what try tattoo egu ano. Ni brenti. You see ba kumbi oye movie and say you see one the best save ya say all these celebrities they will destroy this world. And no Bible kaka when he say or sa kwa President Shangilo se shingiri or sa ko or kwa yeah another surgery view madam one show in ni brenti obi ayi ne so mwegu e na wakọ adopt obi ba wonye jimia enti ne ono wo ye no so no so yi ne ya wodi agu ya te sa wodi wudi a wo benya ne ba adopt fan so no kwa wa wodi akọ to atwene so nim nyansa ese woni wa nyini de mpo agu o hiante na makoto twene na wo die ene brenti me pese me same shape at this your level ene brenti na ya de na mbe ma apel me pese me mu ya ketekete na ya de sister enunti at this your age be ma be ma pressure I want a flat tummy January onye papa I want a flat tummy ne ni oyo ye ni freni into all wa na oye funu ye kutu no o nim se ntan kwa na obeta into obejeje o se flat tummy and so to America why say Michelle woman do why exercise is ma me hu me sis madam ube wu o then yo my husband say what a flat tummy a liberty now di e kire benya at time hwe exercise America you obi anaje no obi dey to boase sister didi ko ye ko se exercise be wu ko se wu didi ezibana didi eni bra ene da bi asabofo wa obo sa drunkard and sabrofo oboro sa for no reason. Then the Bible cover drunkard
Any ntokwa
pefo de bia no ko ha obekun ha bisi area wote wakosa obi akrenim onya ba obi ahye ne dem brai ntokwa wodi be ye den eya wo meta so kwa fit mi ndi wechimba usuba nti ntokwa pefo anyone for amem for swindlers we for obetadao scammers amem for omo ye scammers swindlers fa one brother na beji 2 oso yewi fa 2 brother na beji 3 nana me money 5 million no am 20 million o you okay nana ko fa no wen dabi aboso no sika wo ho a den tina yasa ko China ekoji billions of loans adiba enkase record na woni akakoje etu so tuo ohia ne kro no nti swindlers scammers anyone mo
Arinya onyankopon ahimye
Bible says sa de pali ama pot ifiri ahase ye konya kopon je ne kwaje dia they should forget it. They won't get it. Which of them are you? That's my question.
Sana kamumu bitie.
Sana kabebre otie.
Na afi wajare ye.
Nyankopon no ni moja no sofo ye wa be jare ye.
Wate ye ho.
Mesi ye la sofo. Wa jare ye. Wa be te ye ho. Wate no say that me tie. It my question is say the my body when I started this preaching from the beginning, are you changing now? It was sakrani. A mudiane was say, I make a say. It's then now ya won. Was a sana ya the baby yatia. Now she say no, so bet in that journey by yes and chair. Obey Jarel. Obey Siesio. Obama why you fit. Bonnie day. Nyamedi check. So nipa nune one. Madame no hunabra. Waya crowd so obejo obe mouse obe pejao obe ya okese na hotimi ato ga me di jawo ne say abraboy enya media enya wodia enye obidia na owura ne beba abebu na kontan na brand so obe bisa say wo body no de mawo no sa sorry dan no o de pobraben na no mama ka we nyina no anybody next you and your body na mo anewo eno ni dey edwamabofo asabofo abosonsonfo awaresefo akohwefo merema ne mbema da ewifo enibrefo ntokwapefo asabofo Bible say say nipa we na no ya ka onyame ahidie ne salvation they are not part. Yes, they won't be there. And no sooner does a system no more. So when are you going to change? God love you. Come back. Or down. Or pell. Sabra yesu nchai. Na jabra uboy. Nebra emfata. Osofu. One nya member. And don't chase we yaba. Nyame wombre no de. Na mbre no so na so. Udia ne se ma woni mbre. Concentrate on the kakanya media man. Maintain it. Ni ohu kakra so hwe no. On e rike sebe hwe nsa. Sister, obi se wonye fe. Oboa wo, won fe papa wo nyame mu. To obo na nya abotre. Ne rade biska kwan ma wa. Obi abehu an wo fe. Ne na wa abotre. E ma woni mbre hwe. Na mbre wo hoy. Enyo ba akofo dia wo. E dane. E bia na wo dia dane kina. Na abaye fe. Tobo na nya abotre na brabo ewiase enkwa eyobidie wura ne beba abeji na ade na oba mane meto se wasatwa efretete no ababaye abode foforo we na medijao erade nka ho on sakra o ma woni nje o ma wo hu na akwan na watimi adi akiri na siwi yesu nka ho onye okese media the prophet Prince Kofi Ochre, the leader and founder of Faith Anointing International Ministry. Me da wase sa onya mre e hwe me live on Facebook. Da sende mes aba wa kwan na yakasa na yedin kombo na dia me ja no say salvation is the power to your soul. Salvation is the power to your body. Na nkwaje no e na yetumi e ma wo kra e na onipadua. Hwehwe kwaje no na di kwaje n'echi na besim yi frame na ye din kombo srame na ye nkasa e wa brabom then a disturb and a title oba ye betu Nyankopon anim no benam yeso ahwe ne yi ayamo emna ye fe embum ni hia me ne se wo behunu Yesu ene ne nkwaje na timi asiwi nyame ka ho no tire ne mu kire ko si se mesamba wa kwa bi ono me de raja may the Lord be with you, may the Lord guide you, may He protect you, may He save you, may your salvation be full and may it never be empty. Be blessed and stay blessed until I come your way next time again. Bye bye.